Well, unfortunately, this one is completely abandoned and they removed it. They used to have a tandem ride touch on this thing long time ago, but yeah, they made this mount pile and completely ripped out the yeah, it's abandoned, bruh. They got the sign still, and oh, that is, the sand feels weird on this one, so I will not go that far. They still have the pay station, which is the PDQ access, but yeah, completely defunct. And yeah, this does not even work anymore. Let's see if we can go to the back. Probably, maybe we can kind of take a peek. Yeah, unfortunately, so this was a right touch. Yeah, that's really sad. Oh yeah, look, you got the air tubes for the chemical hoses as well. Yeah, okay, we're gonna go to another car wash. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and check out this Quick Quack car wash. And we're gonna go ahead and select the top wash probably on this one. So let's see what the prices are. Alright, so we purchased the top wash with the ceramic duct, which is the $27 wash. Pretty expensive on this one, pretty steep, but let's see how this thing does. It has been a very while since I visited this specific location over here. I went to this one many times when I was little, but they actually installed a brand new Sonny tunnel. They used to have an AVW tunnel on this thing, so we're gonna go ahead and enter to this wash. Alright, here we go, let the wash begin, here we go. Starting off with the foam bath and the soap tubes. Look at this one, nice projector. We're getting the top brush, okay. You got your rocker brushes. This must be the duct wax. Lava rinse. Top brush, the other one. This is your motoring unit. Ceramic. That one's a bit aggressive, but that's okay. Now we're getting the dryers. There's our computering unit for the car wash. Alright, and I think that's good to go. Here we go. Not bad, so I gotta tell you, I mean, pretty expensive for a wash, but I guess it did not bad. We're gonna see the after results. So this is the after results of the car. Not too bad, I gotta tell you. They're pretty decent. Only doing the front side, that's what one of the employees said, but big shout out to let me want to do this. He told me I cannot go through because of safety reasons, but at least I can do the front though. So hopefully that's good enough. Whenever they say no, then I can just like do the front, but it actually, this is perfect. I like the LEDs that they added, like the lime green blue on it. Here's will be an exit view, what it will look like. Oh, nice fire start off. I like that. Starting back up, here we go. High pressure pump activating, cobbler spinning. So the final review for this one, I'll have to give it a solid 8 out of 10 because yes, it did clean the car, but for $27, it's fuck. I mean, it's just because of the ceramic stuff. But after when I went to that laser wash 360, because this is a touchless, it is way cheaper than that. Yeah, that is kind of a bit of a, I mean, I would say it's a bit steep on the pricing on the quick-quack franchise. But anyways, like the guy you're now hiring, maybe I will probably get a part-time job as well. And of course, I think this is more information about this tunnel system. It says wash water used with our state-of-the-art system by using less than 25 gallons of fresh water. So it protects the environment by using safe soaps and detergents. That's actually pretty interesting for this thing. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody.